Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of group buy for Magento 2 platform. And basically in today's video tutorial we'll be showing you the backend configuration and the workflow of this group buy plugin. And before we continue further, let me give you a small gist of this plugin. So basically, using this plugin functionality, the Magento 2 store owners can now allow their customers to buy the products at a discounted price by setting up or joining an existing group. What the customers can do is they can create the groups or join an existing group for purchasing the products that have already been set as group buy from the admin backend panel. And whenever the set customer limit is reached for a particular group, they can buy that respective product on the discounted price. So for example, we have a product for $50 and we have set it as a group buy, as a group buy product. So now whenever a customer comes in, he can create a new group, and whenever the limit for that group is achieved, for example, we have set it to 3, when the limit is achieved, at that time the admin can qualify that product and can start shipping those products. So whenever a customer comes in, he can add that particular product into the cart and can make a checkout. So whenever he checks out with that product with the discounted price, automatically a group is created. And whenever that group reaches the set limit within the time frame that has been set by the admin, the customer can exactly get his product and as well on a discounted price. So the first customer will create a group initially which has the set number of customers, and then whenever a second customer comes in, he has the option to create a new group or join a previously created group as per his own requirement. So let me go ahead and let me show you how exactly this particular plugin works. So I'll be taking you through the front-end workflow by showing you how the customers can view the group buy products at the store front end for the Magento 2 platform, and how the customers can check their created or joined groups. And lastly, I'll be showing you the initial module configuration settings that are required for this particular plugin, and how the admin can create the group buy products, and how the admin would be able to manage the customer groups for the group buy products. So let me take you to the web store front end first, and let me show you the customer perspective for this particular plugin. So right now I'm at the web store front end, and here you can see that I'm under the category there. Here we have this group buy, and for each of the products here you can see that we have certain different details, like 0 groups are active. For this one we have 1 group active, and for this particular product we have already 0 groups active. Now kindly note that this particular functionality is only available to the registered users or the customers. So what needs to be done is we need to sign it initially, and then only we can buy the products at a discounted price. So before we sign in, let me show you the different options that we have for each of the group buy products on their product pages. So let's go to this particular product first. That's the overnight duffel bag. I'll be opening it in another window, and for the time being I'll open this crown submit backpack as well. And let's see what different options are there before we sign in to our account and navigate back to this particular product. So here's the crown submit backpack, and here you can see that we have a normal add to cart button here, and we have a tab with the name groups, and it states start a new group or join to avail offers. So that's the only information that is there visible to the non-logged in customer right now. And let's go to the overnight duffel bag, and similarly we have it for $45. We just have the add to cart button, and under the group tab we have start a new group or join to avail the offers. So now what I'll do is I'll first sign into my account, and I'll then come back to this particular product, that's the overnight duffel bag. So let me sign in first. I'll open the sign up page in the window, and I'll have to register myself initially, as this is just a demonstration, so I'm not already created any other account. So let me go ahead and let me register myself as a customer first, and then we'll be proceeding further. So I'll be tapping on the create an account button first. So this is just not the it doesn't count in the flow of this particular module. I just need to sign into my account, as I've not created one, so I'll just create one first. So I've entered some information here for the new customer, and let me create the account now. So now I'm logged into my account for John Baptiste, and now let me go to the group by section here. And now after login, how these group by products are visible. So here we have 0 groups active, 1 group active, and 0 group active. You can tap on the group by button to reach the product. So now you can see that I'm back on the product page itself, and here we have one more button and a link, and we have one more link, how to group how group by works. And we have the groups section wherein we have start a new group or join to the offers. So now the registered customer, what he can do is, you can see that the price is for $138, but a customer can get a discount if he buys it for he can buy it for $50 while creating a group. Now let's go ahead and let's see how this works. So what I'll do is, I'll be tapping on this to create a group and purchasing this particular product at $50. Otherwise I could have also joined an existing group if there was any for this particular product, as there's no group for this particular product. So I'll be creating one, and I'll be purchasing this for $50. And whenever the group limit is reached, at that time the admin can qualify this order, and I'll be getting this product shipped by the admin for only $50. And same the other customers that are there within that particular group, they'll also be able to buy the same product at $50 and not at $138, and they can join the group that I've created. So let me tap on buy $50 and create group. And apart from that, before we proceed, the customers can also check how the group buy works by tapping on this particular link. So the admin can set up the text here so that the customers can know basically how this functionality works, how they can get a discount for this particular group buy product. So now let me tap on the buy for $50 and create a group. So this will add this particular product for the price that is $50 and not $138. So you can see, so I'll proceed to the checkout now. So now let me go ahead and let me choose my shipping method, and let me select the payment method thereafter, and I'll be placing the order. So now I'll be proceeding further, and I'll place the order. Now what this does is that as soon as the order is placed, I'll be able to purchase this product on a discounted price. That's for what we say as $50. Let me show you the order details. So I've purchased this Crown Summit pack for $50 now. The actual price was $138, and now I'll only receive this particular product would be shipped by the admin when the group size is reached. For example, it was 3. I've created the group. I'm one member. If 2 more people come in, they also purchase this for $50. So whenever the group size is reached within the time frame for this particular group buy product, at that time the admin ships the products, and the customers basically get this particular product on a discounted price. So to check the details, each of the customers can navigate to the group section on the left hand side, as you can see here under the account options. So I'll tap on the groups option here, and this would basically display me the groups that I have created, already existing groups if any. So here you can see the group has been created for the Crown Submit pack. The group size is set to 3, and join member is being showing as 1, and the status right now is processing. Now let me tap on the view button, and this would display the different details of this particular group. And for the status, let me tell you, there are different statuses. Processing means that a group has been created by a customer, and he has checked out and placed the order for the group by product. Also, when the group limit is not reached for the set group size, till then the state remains as processing. Qualified means that the group has completed its members during the time frame that was set by the admin, and the admin can now process the orders, and the respective products can be shipped out to the customers. So here you can see the group details now. The group ID is there, expires on, the size, join members, the group's author, John Baptiste, and the product name. So John Baptiste had started this. He has not joined, but he has created and started this group. So we can also see the notes here under the group notes, if any. So this was how a customer can check the groups that he has created, and if he has joined any groups, he can also see the joined groups here. So let me take you through the group by section once again, and let me show you if a customer has basically joined any group. So I'll go to this particular product, and I'll tap on join existing group. Tapping that up brings up the details under the group tab here, as you can see on the product page itself. And here you can see that it was created by someone, it expires in ITNA, and one member is remaining to claim this particular deal. So if I tap on the buy together, this would be added to my shopping cart, and I can proceed further to place the order. Let me choose the shipping method. As this is just a demonstration here, I forgot to change the actual product of the price. So I've given the off as 50. For 50 you can only buy this product at the discounted price right now, so don't get confused regarding that. So the order has been placed, and I'm sorry for this price here, it should have been $150. So I've given a 50 for $50 only you can buy this product. So now let me go to the group section once again, and here you can see that John Baptiste had created his own, that was Crown Summit backpack, and he has joined this particular group for the overnight duffel bag. The joint members are 2, group size is 2, and the status says qualified. Now let me show you the details by tapping the view button. Here you can see it is qualified. The group author was Mr. John, as we saw before purchasing this particular product. We are 2. I joined in, so it shows my name under the joined type, the starter of this particular group. And here you can see that the new member joined the group and the status has been qualified, added by John Baptiste. So that was how you can create a new group, and you can join a group and view the details, and can purchase a particular group by product on a discounted price. So now let me go ahead and let me show you the backend configuration settings, so as to let you know for that. So I'll go to the dashboard, and after you've installed this particular module, you'll have this group by option on the side panel. Tapping that up brings the products and the groups. So let me open the product section and the group section. Under the product section, basically the admin can add new what we say as the group by products. So as here, to add a new group by product, the admin can tap the add new product button here on the top right hand side, and that brings up the details for creating a group by product. So here you can see the we have different options here. Under the product name, the admin can basically choose a product. For example, if I choose this one, Wayfarer Messenger bag, I can set the group by price for it. Let me set it as $5. I'll choose the start and end date for this group by discount that I'm going to provide to the customers. I can set the group size. Let me set the group size to 3, so at least 3 people should be there so as to get qualified and to purchase this particular group by product at a discounted price. If the timeline has exceeded, even then, if after that the group size is reached, then this particular thingy gets disqualified. So I've enabled it. I'll tap the save product button, and I've created a new group by product. I can also use the actions column to enable, disable, or delete any of the products here. Now let me show you the front end, how it appears on the front end now. Alright, just leave that up for now. So I've shown you the product section. Now let me show you the group, what we have the options. Under the group by, we had the groups as well. Let me open the group section now. So here the admin can easily manage the groups that have been created. So for the overnight duffel bag, we had created one group, and the other was for the Crown Summit backpack that was being joined by the customer Baptiste. And here you can see the group size and the joined members, and the status is qualified and processing for each of them. So from here the admin can also edit and delete these groups, and after editing a group, the admin can see the group details, as you can see here, with the group notes and the member information is there. Also note, if you're being disqualified at that time, under the actions column you'll have this refund option that would allow you to refund the quantity to the customers, to back to the store. I'm sorry for that. And the group by status can be set as processed, qualified, disqualified, and refunded by the admin himself. So that was much about the group buy for Magento 2 plugin. And I hope this feature helped you out in understanding how it actually works within the Magento 2 web store. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.